Wow, love,
Oh
this
my
is so
God.
cool. We're an hour and a half away from Manila.
Beautiful private villa that I have ever experienced. I mean, this is just insane.
The view is stunning here, isn't it?
Ah, this has to be one of my favorite little spots here in Luzon. Immediately. Welcome to the craziest and most beautiful private villa that I have ever experienced in the Philippines. We are in San Fernando, Pampanga. I'm not exactly sure where exactly we are. We're in Pampanga, we're up in the mountains, and we're here at Kind Villas, adjacent to Kind Dining, which we showed you guys a few weeks ago.
And these two are villas, but they are not done yet.
Oh, cool. Villas.
Villas? You can have villas? Yes, ma'am.
Wow.
But not done yet.
Not done yet.
And they just opened up these beautiful private villas, and I am so blown away. I'm still confused at how stunningly beautiful this is. We literally just checked in and the rooms are just mind
Mind-blowing. Love, isn't this stunning?
It's crazy.
I always get so excited when I get to talk about one of my favorite new gadgets, the 3000 watt and 3072 watt hour home power station from Bluetti, the AC300 plus B300. And I love to talk about it because every time I do feature it here on the channel, I get a bunch of questions about it. So today I'm going to answer a few of those questions as well and talk about 3 features that I really love about the AC300 with its B300 battery pack. By the way, you can connect up to 4 B300s to the AC300 for the ultimate home power station. And one thing I wanted to talk about today is the Bluetti app. Now, the Bluetti app allows you to connect to your power station via Bluetooth, and you have such features as real-time power consumption overviews, software updates, and many more features that are so fun to have for one, but also incredibly practical to have. Now, setting up the app and connecting it to your Bluetti AC300 is as easy as it can get. Signing up just takes a few minutes, putting in some simple data like your email address, your phone number, and your location. And then you can use the app to scan the QR code on the AC300 to connect your personal device, and you're up and running. You can real-time monitor in and out, do all your software updates, and there are many more features, many more things that you can do with the Bluetti app. The second most common question that I get about the AC300 is how to connect your devices to it. Well, you have 2 options. You either can connect your appliances directly to the Bluetti AC300, as we did on a camping trip where we had a cooler, a refrigerator connected to the AC300 for 48 hours while we were camping. Our food and drink constantly was cooled. We didn't have to worry about it, and we even did power an AC throughout the entire night to stay cool in our tent as well. It was absolutely amazing. And then the second option is to integrate the AC300 directly into your home electricity network with the optional AC300 Home Integration Kit. The AC300 Home Integration Kit allows you to connect the AC300 power system to the home main panel. So this solution is incredibly practical, especially for people like us. We travel a lot. Actually, right now we are traveling internationally, and having the AC300 integrated into your home electricity system just gives you peace of mind. If the power goes out, you know that your food that you have frozen won't spoil. You know that the place will still stay air conditioned if you need it to be, and you know that your internet connection will always stay stable. Like, we have a smart home, we can monitor anything that goes on inside our home and check up through the video footage as well. So it's good to know that the internet is up and running and our home is safe and secure. So no matter what the circumstance, if you're trying to live off the grid, go camping, or you just want peace of mind for your home while you are away, or when the power outage comes and you still want to stay cool and refreshed right now, it's close to 40 degrees Celsius in the Philippines, you want the ACs to always be running, you always want that peace of mind, and the AC300 from Bluetti will give you that. Now, thank you to Bluetti for once again sponsoring this video, and let's get back to the vlog.
It's
What?
so beautiful.
So awesome.
Honestly, it's well decorated, the interior, everything ties in together. That
This-
bathroom is just...
This is so nice. And we're an hour and a half away from Manila.
I know.
This is crazy.
And they've got amazing food at Kind Dining.
True.
Like it's such a win-win.
Very true, very true. So I'll give you guys a quick room tour. So when you arrive at Kind, you come down these stairs directly by the entrance and you have this huge, beautiful, massive, heavy sliding door that opens up and brings you right into what is the garden area. This closes up nicely so you have a lot of privacy. Let's do that first. Boom. So you have this beautiful private garden area with your private plunge pool that is looking very inviting. It's quite hot today, so we'll take a dip into that. And here we have like some soft lounging chairs where we can sit down, we can read, we can meditate, we can just enjoy the outdoors. Everything is with beautiful, stunningly beautiful greenery. And then this view, they did this so well. So they left an opening here that is looking out to literally what I would call the jungle out here. It looks so stunning. We have a lot of plants here, wood carvings, and then we move on to the bedroom area. Wow, look at this beautiful bedroom. The bed looks so inviting. Mattress is very soft. You have here a little bit of a lounging thing. You have some art here on the wall. Massive AC because this room is quite big. And then the thing that shocked me the most is coming through here. I opened the door to the bathroom and I mean, this is just insane. Take a look at this. This is the entire bathroom. This is the entire bathroom. You have two full-size showers, so we can both shower at the same time and have our own shower space. Then over here, we have a massive bathtub. We have the throne, obviously, and then a lounging area inside the bathroom. I've never seen anything like it. That is so cool. Wow.
Welcome, sir.
Very nice, thank you. This is nice. Enjoying a little water. The view is stunning here, isn't it? Look at that. So this looks like pineapple, mint, maybe passion fruit. That is so good. Ah, this has to be one of my favorite little spots here in Luzon. Immediately went into the top like 2 free list. Okay, we just had a moment to settle in and get freshened up, and now we're gonna head over to Pina, which is, this is the second villa. They have another villa here. Now we're gonna head over to Pina, which is another restaurant that's located just next door. They have coffee, cocktails. We're locked. So we're exploring around this property a little bit here. Pina is so
It is
so nice, right?
so nice. Never seen any place in the Philippines like this.
It's crazy. I really feel like I'm kind of in like Costa Rica, Mexico, kind of in Bali. It's like everywhere. Just not. I didn't expect this in San Fernando. Like so crazy. And we were just messing around a little bit with the coffee machine, sad excuse for a latte art that I did there. And also I'm trying the IPA, and also we're trying the margarita. How's the margarita?
Margarita is so strong.
Yeah.
I mean, not so strong to a point that it's not drinkable. It's amazing. The flavors are amazing. It's just I'm not a heavy drinker.
So I was just chatting with Andreas a little bit about this whole project, and it's so cool to see what they developed here out in the province, out in the middle of nowhere. You literally just go through a very rural area, and then you come through a gate and you have this massive, beautiful property right next to Kind. And actually, so Kind Dining and Kind Restaurant is owned and operated by my friend Alan, and Andreas owns and operates the one next door, and they're partners in some projects. So it's really cool to see what they have going on. Yeah, really fascinating. Okay, we have a lot of amazing food coming out here right now. We have a fried rice here inside of a pineapple. Then we have some, it looks like it's a lechon kawali. And now we just got this huge, beautiful bowl of sinigang. It's a salmon head sinigang. This food looks so delicious, so good. So such a beautiful presentation. I'm gonna try the lechon kawali. We have some liver. This is liver sauce, right?
Yeah, sure.
Sarap. Sobrang sarap.
Okay, so we have some food here. Love, what are you trying?
Is it a sourdough or is it a homemade bread? It's a homemade bread, homemade brown bread with liver pate. Homemade liver pate.
Nice.
It's really deep in flavor. It's not your usual liver pate.
Nice.
You have to try that.
Okay, I'm gonna give the Korean fried chicken a try. It looks super good, very tender. That's nice. A little bit spicy, a little bit sweet, tangy, very tender chicken. So good. And here we have one of their best sellers, which is a sisig pizza, which sounds super interesting. That's so good. It's a little bit crunchy. It's super savory. It has all those elements of a sisig in it, and then the pizza dough at the bottom, super satisfying. This is really nice.
Ooh, that's melting.
So we
I
just
know you like
moved from the restaurant downstairs to the terrace upstairs because it's so cute out here.
We got this beautiful lighting out here going on. I don't know if you guys can see how it's like glistening. Beautiful spots out there, and we just got dessert.
Yes.
Oh, what a day, huh?
Oh, this is a good dessert for Mike because he loves pineapple, and this restaurant in general is good for Mike
Yeah.
because he loves pineapple.
Okay, we finished our dessert and our drinks, and now we're gonna walk back to Kind, and it's just really like 2 minutes walk. It's so close. Ah, so full. So much food. This is really cool. Like if you come and you stay at Kind, they have fantastic food at Kind, and they have fantastic food here at Pina. So you can pick, like if you're staying 2 nights, you can have food here one night,
Or
there
lunch
the
or
other
dinner
night.
extended.
Or lunch or dinner, exactly, yes. Smart. And the coffee was good too. Really nice. And it's such a nice area. It's fresh, it's cool, it's a little bit breezy.
I love the stairway taking us down to the villa. It's so cool. And here we have to check out the other villa tomorrow.
Look at the lighting, it's so cool. So unique, and it changed all of a sudden. Today, sadly, is checkout day here at Kind Villas. But before we leave, we're gonna indulge in some delicious lunch here, and we're gonna check out the second villa that they have, which is also supposed to be super unique.
Wow.
Wow.
Cool. Wow, love.
Oh
This
my
is so
God.
cool, right?
Imagine having this for a weekend staycation. You have your own projector. Basically, there's no reason for you to leave the room.
Yes, right?
You have everything on your villa.
Yeah, so projector is like on top of the bed, projecting here. So like it really, because sometimes with the projector, like where do you put it? But this is so perfect. It's mounted on top of the bed. So cool.
So nice.
Nice. This is
Really
similar
cool.
to our home setup.
Yeah, we basically that's what we do at home. So every night before we go to bed, we turn on the projector to watch a little bit of our Netflix series.
Yeah.
And it's such a game changer to
Yeah,
have a
it is.
projector at home.
They got a busting sound system here as well. That's so cool. And then we go through here. Here's kind of like a living area with a nice couch, mirror, little desk to work at. And then you come through here. is the bathroom. Also very nice. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Oh, hello. So cool.
It's so cool. It's so nice. This
Right.
is so nice. I love the interior of all the Kind villas. Everything just ties in together, making it cozy and at the same time still making it feel like that the relaxing with the hotel feel. So you get that kind of hotel sleep that you never get anywhere else.
Love, you know what we forgot to do?
What?
Take a bath.
Yeah.
Just means we have to come back.
I know. Next weekend we're coming back.
This is the perfect weekend getaway, isn't it?
I know. It's an hour and 30 minutes away to from Manila to Pampanga, and if you time it right, you never have to encounter traffic in NLEX or anywhere else. It literally took us 1 hour and 30 minutes. Not strenuous at all. Especially I'm just the passenger princess. Sprinkle, sprinkle.
Actually, I have the perfect weekend itinerary for you guys. Listen to this. Saturday morning, get up early, leave the city, drive up to Pampanga. On Saturday, you do the tour of Avatar Gorge, which will take till lunchtime. You stop by Pina for lunch and afternoon cocktails. Check in here, enjoy dinner here, sunset, amazing. Sunday is chill day. You don't leave the villa, you just enjoy everything, the plunge pool. And then Monday morning, you leave bright and early. You're gonna be at the office in time. Right?
I agree.
That's perfect.
Couldn't agree more. You should be a tour guide though.
Yeah.